Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix mic and voice chat is not working on Peak. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go on Peak settings and go to audio. Make sure your microphone is set right. Your microphone mode activation is either push to talk or voice activation, it really doesn't matter. Master volume is not muted. For tutorial purposes it's muted, but should be not muted. Also, voice volume should be on 1. Now in PC settings, first of all, what you need to do here is to write microphone privacy settings. Then make sure microphone access is on, and also super important, let desktop apps access your microphone. Make sure it's selected as well, right? And then look if it's speak on this list or not. Then what you need to do here is to go to sound settings here, or just sound. And then what you need to do here is to go to more sound settings, then go to playback and look for your headphones that you use. Make sure to set as default, then right click on it, go to properties and make sure it's not muted and it has around 60 of the volume. Then also make sure disable all enhancements is selected. Advanced, make sure these two options are selected as well. Then go to recording, then go to your microphone. Make sure the right microphone is selected. Then go to properties, listen levels also it's around 60, and also these two options is selected as well, right? Then go to volume mixer, make sure your input and output device is the right selected, then launch the game and look if the game is not muted here. So if it's peak muted like this, unmute it, and also make sure it's on default or the right headset and output is selected here as well. Then open up Steam, go to settings, then open up settings tab here, go to voice, make sure also the right microphone here is selected with your headset, make sure input volume and output gain is not muted as well. And also it's open microphone, right? And then look if the problem persists or not. And for some people, a microphone is enabled by going to properties and then selecting DX12, right? So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like.